In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Google Chat. Whether you accidentally sent the wrong message or simply want to clean up your conversation history, this is a handy skill to have. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you know exactly how it's done. To start, you need to open Google Chat. You can do this by going to chat.google.com using your preferred browser. Alternatively, if you're already in Gmail, you can access Google Chat directly from there. This built-in feature in Gmail makes it really convenient to manage both emails and chats from one place, so keep that in mind for ease of use in the future. Once you have Google Chat open, you need to locate the specific chat or space containing the message you intend to delete. If your inbox is bustling with messages, it can sometimes take a moment to find the right one, so don't rush. This way, you can avoid any accidental deletions. In these areas, messages are often grouped by conversation for an easier browsing experience. Now that you're in the right chat or space, scroll through until you find the message you want to delete. Sometimes, especially in busy threads, it can be a bit of a scroll, but take your time to ensure you pick the correct message. Hover over the message, and you'll notice a set of options appearing on the right-hand side of the message. You'll want to look for the icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options icon. Clicking on these 3 vertical dots opens a drop-down menu with several options. This is your go-to area for managing other message functions as well, but for now, let's focus on the task at hand. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Delete. This brings up a confirmation pop-up. This confirmation is the system's way of double-checking your intention, offering a safeguard against deleting something by mistake. Review the confirmation pop-up to ensure it's the right message, and when you're sure, you'll want to proceed by clicking Delete again. By doing this, you finalize the action to permanently remove the message from the conversation. Remember, once you confirm, this action cannot be undone, so it's always good practice to double-check before permanently deleting messages. And there you have it. Your message is deleted. Knowing how to do this not only helps maintain your privacy, but also keeps your conversations tidy. Now you can confidently manage your Google Chat history with ease. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Google Chat experience.